Uh, okay. Thank you for the time, sir. Let's begin the presentation. Today topic, or my second topic today, is technological innovation and commercialization of solar tracker on solar cell, a comparison study. The outline is introduction, methodology, product comparison, result, and conclusion. Okay, I will begin from the introduction. Every year, the use of energy for household, industrial, transportation, and even agricultural purpose is increasing as well. Currently, energy in Indonesia depends on coal, natural gas, and oil, which are useless and less over time. If there is an alternative solution to replace this energy source in the next few years, it is very likely that we will no longer be able to consume electricity as it is now. Renewable energy such as solar panels can utilizing sunlight as a source of electrical energy. That way we have an unlimited source of electrical energy for technological advancements and fulfillment of increasingly human. Nowadays, many innovations have emerged to increase the effectiveness of the energy produced from solar panels. The example is solar tracker. Nah, the solar tracker is a tool to automatically adjust the position of the solar panels so it is able to follow sun's ray direction. Okay, the second one is methodology. It is start from ID generation, and from the ID born some discovery. So from discovery, then it will go into feasibility study, and the last it will development of the prototype. And from the development prototype, it can make a new ID generation. So this can make a cycle of innovation. Next is comparison product. The left one is Xiamen Mi Bed solar tracker from Chinese. And the right one is EcoKarsa solar tracker from 11 Maret University. Okay, I will start from solar tracker Xiamen Mi Bed. By implementing a strategy of cooperation with various parties, Xiamen Mi Bed New Energy has successfully implemented and served the demand for innovative solar trackers on solar panels in several countries. This innovation has developed into several types that make people optimistic that the installation of solar panel for daily life, industry, and application in other fields can be fulfilled properly and optimally. It is important for Xiamen Mi Bed New Energy to have many relationships in developing this solar tracker, because Xiamen Mi Bed New Energy can easily create its own market, so that with the presence of a market, that there is sure to place an order for a solar tracker. The company can easily commercialize the new technologies and innovation that will be developed by Xiamen Mi Bed New Energy. The next one is solar tracker from EcoKarsa. 11 Maret University research related to solar panel plants, solar power plants, or we can call PLTS in Indonesia, to fulfill electricity needs for farmers in Delanggu. This research is expected to be commercialized in the wider community, but the development of supporting technology such as programs, sensors is still in research stage, which result in the EcoKarsa solar tracker is not being fully utilized by the community. The 11 Maret University Merdeka Belajar team is still conducting research on this application of the solar tracker for 4 months to collect sample data and reset, so that further analysis can be carried out to find optimal condition from several aspects, such as infrastructure, social and economic environment. And this research is still being developed because the energy produced by solar panel is expected to help Sanggarojo farmer community in Delanggu to increase rice yields, reduce pests around the rice fields, and as a public facility for farmers. Okay, I will tell the business model canvas from Ekokarsa Solar Tracker. I will start from the key partners. There is two points. The first one is supplier raw material, and the second one is shipping service. Next, from key activities, there is procurement of goods, programming, production, branding, and promotion. And from the key source, there is 2 points. The first one is manpower. There is tool assembly, admin, programmer, and the last is data analysis. And the second point is equipment such as laptop, smartphone, internet, and IoT sensors. Next is value proposition. There is 3 points. The first one is environmentally friendly. Second one is economical. And the third is energy efficiency. Next, the customer relationship. We use data analysis in determining which customer often order to be given rewards. And from the channels, we use online direct selling via website, Instagram, email, and phone number like WhatsApp and the other platform like Line or Telegram. Next is customer segments. The first one is companies that use solar cell, of course. Second one is elementary school, and the last is university. And the next one is cost structure. There is 4 points. The first one is labor cost. Next is shipping cost. And the next is administration cost. And the last is raw material cost. From revenue streams, there is 4 points. The first one is sales of products solar tracker, only solar tracker product. The second one is sales of product solar tracker and solar cell. The third one is installation solar tracker. And the last one is workshop. Okay, the result is commercialization is an important part of the innovation process, which is complex, has high risk, requires high operational cost, and most innovations fail in this space. The Xiamen Mi Bed solar tracker is superior in terms of commercialization compared to the Ekokarsa solar tracker when assessed from an entrepreneur side, because the Xiamen Mi Bed solar tracker already has a license and legality, and its closed source makes this technology safer and more exclusive. From the Ekokarsa solar tracker, collaboration between Ekokarsa and 11 Maret University make this technology, the technology transfer office serves as an intermediary to enable collaboration between universities and companies. From this point, it can be proved that Indonesia can adopt strategies that have been taken by other countries to create a market for solar tracker on solar cell. In addition, cooperation with private companies, MSME, and also the government is also very much needed in an effort to increase the commercialization network of the new technology that will be launched. The last one is conclusion. Technopreneurship and innovation system framework for the development of the solar tracker Ekokarsa and the Xiamen MiBet Solar Tracker was carried to understand the innovation management process in the related technology transfer office and how the entrepreneurship model was applied. Technology transfer office is the key to success in managing solar tracker innovation. So the innovation system can be properly implicated for technology commercialization. Collaboration between technopreneurship or technopreneurs and innovation system, as well as the participation of government agencies, universities, and the private sector is needed for the commercialization of technology, most of which haven't been explored more deeply. So this has been in many products that are not ready to circulate on the market and will fall into the valley of death. This research is based on a comparative analysis based on case studies. So maybe the conclusion drawn from this case may be difficult to generalize. The findings of the study can be a lesson in the success of technology commercialization. Okay, maybe that's my presentation from this second paper. Thank you for your attention, and I will close the slideshow.
Okay, thank you very much indeed for Mr. Gilang.